I'm going to tell about the congruent triangles. What are congruent triangles? I'm going to tell about them. If you take any two triangles like this and they have the same shape and size, means if you cut this and place on this, it exactly fits on that. That means if you take any two chocolates, Cadbury chocolates, they have exact same shape if you give the same amount of money. In the same way, this triangle and this triangle sit on each other. That's going to be congruent triangle. To that, you must have all three angles of this triangles must be equal to corresponding these three angles of this triangle, and even the size must be equal, so they're going to become congruent triangles. I'm going to tell different ways of congruent triangles. One type is SESS congruent triangle, and another one is SEAS, and one more is ASA congruent, and one more RHS congruent triangle, and another one triangle is ASS congruent triangle. I'm going to explain each one of those types. Those types, how I explain means, you can take these two triangles here, that is like this. Here they have given this triangle and this triangle. I'm going to tell what is SSS congruency. SSS congruency means they given this side and this side as 1 units, these two sides as 2 units, and these two sides of this triangle and this triangle as 3 units. When all of these three are similar to one another, then automatically angle going to be equal. This angle will be equal to this angle will be equal to this, and this angle will be equal to this. So these two triangles going to be congruent. Let's take what is SES congruency. In SES congruency, they tell, if you take these two triangles and they have given this angle as 60 degree and this angle as 60 degree, and they have given this side as 1 units, so this side is also 1 unit, and this side is 2 units, so this side is also 2 units. When it going to happen, this two sides going to be equal, these triangles going to be equal, and then again these two sides going to be equal. SEAS, and this is also SEAS. These two types are known as automatically this angle to this angle and this angle to this angle going to be equal, and these two sides also going to be equal, so they are known as SES type of congruency. Side, angle and side. This angle must be in between the sides. I'm going to tell what is ASA congruency. You can take this triangle that is like this. Here also you must take two triangles with ASA congruency. In these two triangles, you can do like this. Here they have given one, and here they have given one. This angle they are told us 30 degrees, and this angle they have told us 45 degrees, and even this angle they are told us 30 degrees, and this angle is 45 degrees. The interbetween of those two sides, it is also 1 unit, it is also 1 unit. Then these two triangles can be known as congruent. This angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle going to be equal to this angle, and the in between sides of them going to be equal, so it is known as ASA congruency. Then automatically this angle and this angle going to be equal, and this side will be equal to this side, and this side will be equal to this side. So those two triangles both going to have the same shape and same size. So they're going to be a congruent triangles. I tell what is shape and size equal. If you take this pen, this is another pen, and both of them, if you see, they have the same shape. They have the same shape, and even the size is the same. Both of them going to have same length and same breadthness, so they are known as congruent triangle. And another one concept comes in this one, that is not congruent, that is similar triangles. I going to tell next what is similar triangle. Now let's find out what is RHS type of congruent triangles. In RHS type of congruent triangles, they give two right angles. First, the two angles must be right angles. So this right angle going to be equal to this right angle. Then they give the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse of those two triangles must be equal. Let's take here also 5 units, here also 5 units. Then another one, that is another side must be equal. Here if they have given 2 units, here also 2 units, so one of the other side going to be equal, hypotenuse of the two triangles must be equal, and then there must be right angle triangle. So obviously RHS types of congruency, then automatically this angle will be equal to this angle, and the above angle going to be equal to above angle, and this side going to be equal to this side. So all three angles going to be equal to corresponding these three angles, and all three sides going to be equal to corresponding all three sides. It is known as RHS types of congruency. Let's take the final one, that is SSA type of congruency. In side angle type of congruency, if you take two triangles, here also one triangle, here also one triangle, then here they have given a 60 degree angles going to be equal, this side will be equal to this side, 1 unit and 1 unit, and even these two sides going to be equal, 2 units, 2 units. If you take this angle and the base side, this side going to be equal to this. If you take this side, so these two angles going to be equal, and these two angles also going to be equal, this angle equal to this angle, and this angle equal to this angle, and even this side going to be equal to this side, that side which is not given going to be equal to this side. So these two triangles going to be SSA types of congruent triangles. These are all about congruent triangles. I now tell about similarity of triangles. If you take the similarity and congruency difference, similarity means shape must be same but the size must not remain the same. If you take an Eiffel Tower, you can make this one is the biggest big Eiffel Tower, and you can take another small model of the Eiffel Tower like this. uh, Both of them have the same shape, but the size is, it is very big size, and this is very small size, this Eiffel Tower. And in the same way, if you take two circles, this is going to be a bigger circle, and this is going to be a very smaller circle. They're going to have the same shape but not the same size. In the same way, you can take it in triangle. If you take this triangle and this triangle, all of them going to have the same angle, that is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, even in this angle, and here it is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. They're going to have the same shape, but here all sides going to be 2 units in length, and here all sides going to be 1 units in length. So this going to be similar, not congruent. Now let's do some problems of here. It is, they have given these two triangles, you need to tell they are congruent. That is, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Here they have given this angle as 60 degree, this angle also 60 degree. They have given this side as 2 units, this side as 3 units, here also this side has 2 units and this side has 3 units. You need to prove that they both are congruent. How you need to write? It is ABC triangle, it is PQR triangle. You can do it out. First take in triangle, this is ABC, so you can take it as ABC triangle, and you can take this as PQR triangle, PQ and R. Afterwards, you going to get here, this side going to be equal to this side. So right here, uh, AB side going to be equal to this one, that is PQ, side PQ. And you can write this angle, angle BAC equal to angle QPR, or you can write it as angle A equal to angle P, and another one this side equal to this side, that is also you can write side AC going to be equal to this one, side PR. So here side angle side, so this is side angle side, this going to be SAS congruency, so you can write it as triangle ABC, which is congruent symbol. It is congruent to exact same way, ABC you take in the same way, PQR it going to be congruent to triangle PQR, and the congruency is nothing but SAS congruency. Let's take one more problem. Here they have given these two triangles, that is one right angle triangle and this is another right angle triangle. Here they have given name as ABC, and here they have given us EFG. Let's find out how they're going to be congruent. They have given this side length as 1 units and this side length as root 2 units. Here also this is 1 units, this is root 2 units. You can take these two triangles, that is in triangle ABC and triangle EFG. And if you take these two triangles, you can write them out. That is this angle, angle A, and angle E going to be equal. Angle A equal to angle E, both of them equal to 90 degree. And this side equal to this side. That is side AB going to be equal to side EF. And this is hypotenuse. Even the hypotenuse going to be equal. That is BC equal to FG. When all of these three are equal, that is both of them are right angles, and one hypotenuse going to be equal and another one side going to be equal, then also they both going to have same shape and size. They are congruent. That is triangle ABC. In the same way, you must take ABC, which is congruent to this triangle EFG. You can write it as triangle EFG. This is one type of congruency. Now I tell the final type. Here they are giving out two triangles. In these two triangles, they are telling this side length is 1, 5 and 7. Even this is as 1, 5, 7. Here they are giving it out ABC, and here they are giving it out x, y, z. You must take those two triangles as congruent. You can write it out in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. First take like this, and here you can write it out. AB side going to be equal to XY. Both are 1 units. So AB equal to XY. Now this side BC equal to XZ. Write it as BC equal to XZ. That is one side. And this one final side AC equal to ZY. Right side AC equal to side ZY. These two sides, these three sides going to be equal to these three sides. So these two going to be congruent. Here let's write triangle ABC congruent to, you must take exact sides. Here ABC. AB equivalent is XY, but you must take even this side, that is XZ. So here ABC, how it goes, here it comes like this, that is YXZ. So it must come in the same shape, that is 157. So here also it must go like 157. So ABC is congruent to YXZ. This is triangle YXZ. These are all about congruent triangles. Another one problem. Here they are giving out two triangles. In these two triangles, they are telling how to find it out. They are giving the congruence as SAS. Those two are over. That is SAS is over. ASC I tell about it. That is here also this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree, and this side is 1 units. Here also this is going to be 60 degree, and this is 30 degree, and even this side they have given us 1 units. Let's write it as ABC triangle, and this one they are giving out as PQR triangle. And here they have given in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR. In both of those triangles, they have given this angle, angle A equal to angle P. So right here, angle A equal to angle P, they are 60 degree equal to. And even this in between side, side AB equal to side PQ. And this angle, angle B equal to angle Q. So right here, angle B equal to angle Q. So this is angle side angle equal to angle side angle. So you can write these two triangles as congruent. That is triangle ABC congruent to corresponding sides. ABC here PQR 60 30 and wide angle, here 60 30 wide angle PQR. Triangle PQR. It is which type of congruency? It is angle side angle, ASA. ASA type of congruency. Let's take one more triangle, that is SSA type of congruency. Here I tell about it, SSA or ASS types of congruency. Here they are giving this is 30 degree and this is 30 degree. This side they are giving us 1 units, and this side they are giving us 7 units. Now let's find out ASA type of congruency. In triangle ABC and here triangle EFG. In these two triangles you can find it out, right? Triangle ABC and triangle EFG. In these two triangles, this angle is equal to this angle, that is angle A equal to angle E, and side AB equal to side EF, that is AB equal to EF. And let's write another one side, this side equal to this side, that is BC equal to FG. So this is side BC equal to side FG. All of them are equal, then these two triangles going to be congruent, that is triangle ABC going to be congruent to here ABC in the same way EFG. This is triangle EFG. In which type it is congruent? ASS. Here also ASS type of congruency. You can write ASS type of congruency. They're both going to be equal. I tell about similarity of triangles. Here they are giving like this, that is this triangle and this triangle. Here they are giving angle as 30 degree, and here this angle they are giving out as 45 degree. And even in this triangle they are giving 30 degree and this triangle as 45 degree. Here the triangle is ABC and here the triangle is EFG. In these two triangles, this angle equal to this angle. So angle A equal to angle E. First write triangles, triangle ABC and triangle EFG. This angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. That is triangle B equal to triangle F. Obviously, when two triangles going to be equal, third angles must be equal because their sum must be 180 degree, all three angles. 180 minus 30 plus 45 is 75. 180 minus this one 75 is 105 degrees. And even in this way, here also sum going to be 75. 180 minus 75 is 105 degrees. So this third angle obviously going to be equal. So if two angles going to be equal to these two angles, those two triangles going to have the same shape, so they are similar. Here you can write it as triangle ABC similar to triangle EFG. Similar symbol is just this one you must write. Congruent you must write equal, and then you must write the curvy line. I tell another one similarity of triangle. Here they are giving out this similarity, that is angle similarity. Another one type is angle side similarity. Here they are giving out one triangle. In this triangle all sides are equal to 1 units, and in this triangle all sides are equal to 2 units. Here you need to find out whether they are similar or how they are going to be similar. Here ABC, here it is EFG. They are going to have the same proportion. Let's take that in triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Similarity means they must going to have the same shape, means the sides must be in exact proportion. Here if you take AB by EF, AB by EF going to become equal to here 1 by 2. So here it going to be 1 by 2, and even this one BC by FG. You can take BC by FG. This is also going to be 1 by 2, and another one side, that is AC by EG. AC by EG, it is also going to be equal to half. When all of those three are equal to half, they're going to have the exact proportion of sides. So these two triangles going to be similar, have the same shape, but all sides are 2 times of this triangle. So they're going to have the same shape. There is now a similarity, that is triangle ABC similar to EFG. Triangle ABC similar to triangle EFG. That is which type of similarity it is? Same way in congruent, here also SSS types of similarity. I tell one more type of similarity, that is in the here how you take SCIS, ASA, here also SCIS type of similarity is going to be there. If you take this triangle, In this triangle, they are giving out two triangles. Here, two triangles are this one triangle, this one triangle. This angle is 60 degree and this angle is also 60 degree. Here sides are here 1 unit and here 2 units, and here sides are 2 unit and here 4 units. Here you can write it as triangle ABC. Here it is EFG. Triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Here how to find it out? They both are similar. Let's take this first. First let's take out the angles. In triangle ABC and triangle EFG, these triangles going to be equal, that is 60 degree. Angle A equal to angle E, those two going to be equal to 60 degrees. Now this angle AB by EF, if you take side AB by EF, this equal to 1 by 2. It is half, and these two sides going to be this side with this side, that is AC by EG. It is equal to 2 by 4. You can simplify it to 1 times 2, 2 times half. So this is also exact proportion. This is also exact proportion, which is equal to half. So the two sides going to be in exact proportion, and in between angle going to be equal. So these two triangles are similar. That is triangle ABC similar to triangle ABC, that is EFG. So triangle EFG. That similarity is known as SAS similarity. In the same way, you can get another one, that is ASA. There is no need because two angles going to be equal. Here, this obviously they're going to become similar. This angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. They're going to be similar. I'm going to tell more concept next time. Bye.